prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey into the heart of Stoic wisdom, where battles are won without ever swinging a sword. This lesson is your VIP pass to unraveling the mysterious art of outsmarting adversaries without breaking a sweat. Imagine it as your personal playbook for facing life's challenges with the finesse of a seasoned strategist. We're not talking about ordinary life lessons here. This is your backstage pass to mastering the secrets of Stoicism, turning obstacles into stepping stones. It's not about confrontation. It's about crafting a shield of resilience that deflects life's curveballs. So fasten your seatbelt and get ready for a ride that promises to transform the way you navigate through the twists and turns of life. Are you intrigued? Because we're about to crack the code on how to destroy your enemy without fighting. Number 1. Stay calm and deny them satisfaction. In the grand arena of life, where challenges play their cards, Stoicism unveils its first masterstroke. Stay calm and deny them satisfaction. Picture it as the superhero move of the ancient philosophical world, a cloak of unshakable coolness that leaves adversaries scratching their heads. This principle isn't just about keeping calm. It's about becoming the Zen master of your own narrative. Imagine a scenario where, in the face of adversity, you hold the key to a secret power. The power to deny your enemies. The satisfaction of seeing you flinch. It's like having an invisibility cloak against their provocations. This Stoic maneuver isn't just about weathering the storm. It's about surfing the waves of chaos with a confident grin. This principle shouts to the world that external chaos may attempt to ruffle your feathers, but it won't succeed. By maintaining an unruffled exterior, you send a message. You're the conductor orchestrating your inner calm amidst the symphony of life's challenges. So, buckle up, because in the world of Stoicism, staying calm isn't just a skill. It's a dazzling superpower that turns you into the cool, collected hero of your own story. Number 2. The Stoic gaze. Picture it as your supercharged stare, a magnetic force field that not only meets eyes but leaves an indelible impact. This isn't your average eye contact. It's a power move that exudes confidence without uttering a single word. The immortal words of the Stoic sage Epictetus. We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. As you lock eyes with your adversary, envision yourself as the master of silent communication. The Stoic gaze is no mere visual exchange. It's a strategic play that disrupts their attempts at intimidation. It's akin to unleashing a confident superhero within, catching them off guard with your unyielding spirit. This isn't just a gaze. It's a dance of dominance. Your eyes become the conductors of a symphony that echoes strength and resilience. It's a visual assertion that transforms eye contact into a formidable tool, commanding respect and establishing your unwavering presence in life's arena. Get ready to own the stage with your gaze. A silent force that disarms adversaries and leaves an enduring mark. Number 3. Allies in Stoicism. Forging unbreakable alliances, where strength meets unity in a symphony of resilience. It's not just about connections. It's about building an army of trusted allies, whether they're family, friends, or professional confidants. In the world of Stoicism, this isn't just teamwork. It's a blockbuster demonstration of the raw power found in standing shoulder to shoulder. As the saying goes, in unity, there is strength, and Stoicism cranks up the volume on this truth. Your crew of supporters becomes a living testament to the collective might of resilience. It's not merely about facing adversaries alone. It's about embracing the superhero strength found in unity. Imagine it as crafting an impenetrable fortress of support. a force field that radiates power and leaves your enemies second-guessing. In the cosmic screenplay of Stoic living, your allies become the co-stars in a blockbuster production of collective strength, turning life's challenges into mere plot twists. So gear up and embrace the electrifying wisdom of allies in Stoicism. In this epic alliance, you're not just facing battles. You're orchestrating a symphony of unity that echoes through the ages, leaving you in a sanctuary of unwavering calm. Number 4. Stoic self-elevation. Picture it as a virtuous victory dance where instead of diving into the murky waters of revenge, you soar above by focusing on self-improvement. It's not about bringing your enemies down. It's about leaving them in awe as you become the beast. As the wise Stoic sage Epictetus once mused, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Embrace this wisdom as your anthem, a reminder that time is too precious to squander on vendetta. In the realm of Stoicism, the true triumph lies in the commitment to virtuous living. Imagine your adversaries squirming in discomfort at the sight of your genuine happiness and soaring success, despising the fact that your dedication to virtue becomes the ultimate victory. This is more than a philosophy. It's a personal transformation, a heroic journey where you rise above pettiness and negativity. Instead of being dragged into the mud of vengeance, you become a source of inspiration, leaving your adversaries to wonder about the true essence of victory. A life dedicated to virtue, growth, and a dance of triumphant self-elevation. So step into the spotlight of Stoic self-elevation, where virtue takes the lead in the grand performance of life. As we cap off this riveting Stoic odyssey, etch into your essence that real conquest unfolds within oneself. These Stoic hacks aren't just life lessons. They're keys to sculpting a life drenched in inner zen, unyielding resilience, and triumphs over life's curveballs. If these wisdom droplets hit home, smash that subscribe button for an endless cascade of Stoic enlightenment on our channel. Your presence in this epic saga for enduring resilience rocks our world. So let's ride the waves of life armed with newfound strength and wisdom, scripting a saga of triumph over challenges. Massive thanks for being a part of this journey toward unshakable fortitude.